All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to Dealblaster. Dealblaster is our new software that we just created, and it's going to help us generate a bunch of offers to be able to send in a click of a button. And to get over to Dealblaster, the website's just right here, Dealblaster.ai. In this video, I'm just going to go over how to use the software, how to pull our list from Propwire, and export it into Dealblaster so we can start sending out our emails. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to go over to Propwire, Propwire.com right here, and we're going to pull a list. So let's just say we did Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We put that in the search bar. And again, Propwire is free. You don't have to pay for Propwire. And then, so now that we have our list, we want to go to filters and we want to go to MLS status active. Now guys, if you guys want to get more specific and do days on market more than 90 days, you can do that if you wanted to. If you wanted to stay within a certain price range, you could probably do that over here. Estimated value, yep, right here. Or actually, no, it'd probably be on MLS filters, listing price. You do listing price right here. After you have picked all your filters, I just want to do active. I just want to do all active. I'm going to hit save and close, and it will pull my list up. Right? We have 527 listings in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So we have these two right here. What we're going to do when we have all of our properties, you're going to hit this checkbox right here, or you hit the drop down, hit select all, and then just hit this green button. To export, we're going to hit download, download only. Download only. MLS listing details, and just hit download. Go to my activity. Yeah, the file's being processed right now. It should take like 2 seconds. All right, it's all good. So now I'm gonna hit download. It downloaded the CSV right here. I'm gonna pull it up. Here it goes right here. And what I'm gonna do, so now we're gonna head back over to Dealblaster, and we're gonna use Dealblaster's pre-formatted template. It's right here by make a copy. It's gonna pull up a Google sheet. What I want you guys to do, I want you guys to make your own copy because this is going to be non-editable. You won't be able to edit this. So you're going to have to hit file, make your own copy. But this is the format that we need. And this is the part that we fill in. We don't fill in this because this is where it gets formatted. So now what we do is we load up our list and we match it. So we go address, I select the whole column and I just go like this. Bang. City. See that? Oh, whoopsies. I accidentally hit city. Hit the column. City. There it goes. Milwaukee. State. Now it wants list price. List price is all the way to the right. Let's see. Here goes list price. Agent first name. It's going to be right here. If you see it, just make sure you hit the first name, not the last name. Bang. And then email, you put the listing agent's email right here. Propwire does find the emails. You're going to put the listing agent's email right here. I'm going to put my emails just so it sends it to myself so you guys can see the emails get sent. But now here it pre-formats the whole offer. Purchase price, seller finance amount, down payment, monthly payment. Not bad. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to hit File, Download, and go to CSV. And we're going to export a CSV. Here goes our file right here. Now it's time to go back into Dealblaster. First, we have to log into our Gmail. Whatever Gmail we make, let's say we wanted to use, I'm going to put my personal email in here. And then after I put my personal email in here, it has to be a Gmail, guys. You got to make a Gmail. What you're going to do, this isn't going to be your Gmail password, it's an app password. And I'm going to show you how to make an app password. You're going to go to Google. You're going to go to manage your Google account. Manage Google account right here. After you go there, you go to security and you turn two-step verification on. If two-step verification is on, then you're all good. You'll be able to go to search Google account and just type in app passwords. Right here, app passwords. And I'm going to make the name Blaster. I'm going to title password. Bang. Now this is my app password right here. This is the app password. I'm going to copy this in the password section. Put your email in like that. You're going to put your first name and last name like that. And the CSV that we just exported, this one right here, I'm going to drag it in here. Drag. Bang. So file successfully processed. So after you upload your CSV, it'll start populating right here. This is what the email will look like. All you have to do from here is just hit send campaign like this. And it has successfully sent right here. Yep. Here goes the emails right here. And this is what the emails will show up as.